we are going to review the basics of algebra. In algebra, there are two signs plus and minus. The algebraic expression has a sign like plus, a number like 8, and literals, letters like x, y, z. What we are going to learn also is the algebraic summations. And in order to do that, we are going to use this vertical axis. In this vertical axis, what we have is a 0 that's going to be here. It's going to be like the earth. And this is the ground. And then we are going to have an elevator going up or down. This elevator will go up or down the ground. When it goes up, it is going to go up to floor 1 or to floor 2 plus 2 or to floor 3 plus 3 to floor 4 plus 4 or to floor 5 plus 5. Or sometimes it's going to go under the ground to floor -1 or floor -2, floor -3, -4, and -5, and so on. So let's start with a simple algebraic summation. The algebraic summation is going to be plus 1 plus 2. And this is going to be simple, right? Because that is plus 3. Let's see how would it work with the elevator. When we say plus 1, this elevator goes 1. So we are at plus 1, floor 1. Plus 2 means that we are going to all go up 2 more floors, 1 and 2. Where are we? We are at plus 3. So the result is plus 3. Now let's go back to 0. And we are going to go to this operation. Minus 1 and minus 2. So that would be equal to let's go -1. -1, the elevator goes 1 under the floor. So we are in -1. Then we say -2, so go 2 down, 1 down and 2. Where are we? We are at -3. So from these two examples, we can come up with a rule that when we are adding numbers with the same sign, we put the common sign. In this case, plus and plus are common to 1 and 2. So the common sign is plus, and then we add the numbers, 2 plus 1, 3. When we are doing this operation, the common sign to these two numbers is minus. So we put the common sign minus, and we add the numbers. Now let's do a combination of -1 plus 2. This would turn out like this with the elevator. We are at 0. We go -1, go down 1, and plus 2. So we are going to go with the elevator, we are going to go 2 up, 1 and 2. Let's do it again. We start from 0, -1, down 1, plus 2. We go up 2, 1, 2. Where do we end up? We end up in plus 1. From here, we can conclude with this rule. when we are adding numbers with different signs, the result is the sign of the largest. In this case, 2 is larger than 1. So we put the sign plus. And then we subtract the numbers. 2 minus 1 is 1. Let's do another example. Let's say that we do plus 1 minus 2 equal. In this case, we start with 0. Okay. Plus 1 means that we are going up 1. Up 1. We are here up 1. In minus 2, we are going to go down 2. 1 and 2. Let's do it again. Start from 0. Plus 1 goes up 1. Minus 2 goes down 2. Minus 1 minus 2. And we end up in minus 1. And the rule was that when we add algebraically two numbers with different signs, the result is the sign of the largest. Which was the largest? 2. So the sign was negative. And then we subtract the numbers. 2 minus 1 is 1. So let's do some other examples. Let's do another example of plus 2 minus 3. We have two different signs. We use the sign of the largest. The largest number is 3. Therefore, the sign would be negative. And we subtract the numbers. 3 minus 2 is 1. Another example. Minus 2 plus 3. Which number is the largest? 3. We put the sign of the larger number, plus, and we subtract 3 minus 2, 1. Let's do another example. 5 minus 3. When we don't put a sign in front of a number, that implies that the sign is plus. The result will have the sign of the larger number. 5 is larger than 2. So we use the positive sign, plus. And we subtract the numbers. 5 minus 3 is 2. When we have minus 5 plus 3, we use the sign of the larger number, minus. So minus comes here, and we subtract the numbers. 5 minus 3 is 2. Thank you.